Begin your day with intention and positivity as you cultivate a mindset that will set the tone for a positive and fulfilling day ahead. This transformative guided morning meditation will awaken your mind, body, and spirit with empowering morning affirmations. Set the tone for a positive and fulfilling day ahead as you cultivate a mindset of empowerment, gratitude, and joy. Find a comfortable seated position. Gently close your eyes and take a moment to center yourself. Take a deep breath in, feeling the energy of a new day flowing into your being. Exhale any tension or negativity, releasing it from your body and mind. As you continue to breathe, connect with your inner power and innate potential. Now, let us immerse ourselves in empowering morning affirmations. Repeat each affirmation after me, allowing the words to resonate deeply within you. I wake up each morning with a grateful heart, embracing the blessings and opportunities that come my way. I am filled with boundless energy and vitality, ready to seize the day with enthusiasm. Every cell in my body radiates with health and well-being, and I attract vibrant energy into my life. I am the creator of my reality, and I choose to create a positive and fulfilling day ahead. I am confident in my abilities and trust in my capacity. to handle any challenges that may arise. Love and joy flow through me effortlessly, uplifting my spirit and those around me. I am surrounded by abundance in all areas of my life, and I attract wealth, success, and prosperity. I am worthy of love, happiness, and all the good things life has to offer. My thoughts are aligned with positivity, and I choose empowering beliefs that support my growth and success. I embrace the present moment fully, savoring every experience and finding beauty in the smallest of things. Feel the power of these affirmations resonating within you, filling you with confidence, gratitude, and a sense of purpose. Visualize yourself stepping into the day, radiating positivity, and attracting opportunities that align with your desires. As you continue to breathe deeply, let go of any lingering doubts or fears. Release any limiting beliefs that hold you back and embrace your true potential. Take a moment to set an intention for your day. What would you like to accomplish? How would you like to show up in the world? Affirm your intention with conviction and let it guide your actions throughout the day. As you start to bring your awareness back to the present moment, Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Take a final deep breath, feeling the energy of empowerment and positivity coursing through your entire being. Gently open your eyes and carry the energy of these empowering morning affirmations with you throughout your day. Embrace the unlimited possibilities that await you, knowing that you have the power to create a positive and fulfilling day. Remember, each morning is a fresh start, a chance to nurture your mind, body, and spirit. By starting your day with empowering affirmations, you set the stage for a day filled with joy, success, and abundance. Thank you for joining us in this transformative morning meditation. Subscribe to our channel for more empowering guided meditations and practices to support your personal growth and well-being. May your day be infused with positivity, inspiration, and the unwavering belief in your ability to create the life you desire. Embrace the power of each morning and awaken to the incredible possibilities that lie ahead.